Well, well, well. Well, we are back here with a new video. Alright, let's see, guys. So I want to update everyone on something real quick before I get to anything else. And I want to point out to something that happened on January 14th, 2025, Tuesday, around in the 8 o'clock in the afternoon. So Tuesday, January 14th, 2025 is when I lost my funded account. And I will be fully transparent with this. Now there's a couple things what I want to point to that can show us, right, this overall, let me see if I can, yeah, okay, so pretty much I want to reinforce something. I want to really stress out on something and reinforce a concept of which I have talked about a lot of times on my streams, but people just don't want to listen. There are a couple people in the chat there that always say, bro, go long when it's going down, get short when it's going up. Bro, shut up and listen. Shut the F up and listen. So what I did was a deliberate choice. There was no mistake. I didn't do any mistake. I didn't lose my temper. I didn't revenge trade. I just wanted to test something out with the account. So I tested it and it didn't work out. So now I'm gonna sit on the sidelines because it was obviously some trouble, because emotion-wise I was drained and I was a little bit, disappointed to see that the concepts of some people who claim to trade in the chat weren't. But the reason why I did this is to just show what happened on Tuesday 14th. Now on Tuesday 14th is when I lost my account. I was up a little bit of money, not that much, but I decided to go in 1 contract and 3 contracts. So as soon as this went down, I was pretty much on the 2-minute and 3-minute chart when I was doing this, but I want to show it on the 5-minute chart because this is key. So what I kept doing is, as soon as we went here, we aggressively sold over. I kept going long at these places. So I think I went long around. I went long here. I think I also went long here. I also went long here. I also went long here, and also went, I believe, long here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 times I went long with three contracts, 2 contracts, and I lost every time on these dips. I lost like 10, 15 points, and another 15 points, and another 15 points, and another 15 points, and that's how it went all down the drain. There is some people in the chat that say go long when it goes up. Why on earth would you do that? Are you stupid? Guys, I will repeat this again, and you can comment and hate on me all you want, but you are just a gambler. If you are longing when this happens, if you go long when this obviously shows that it wants to go up, right? This obviously, when you go long, like when you take a long position, when this obviously shows that it wants to go up, and when it obviously shows that this is clearly heading down, do you really want to take a long here? Especially, we were below the VWAP, right? Below the VWAP. So why on earth would you do that? Unless you're an actual gambler and you're a stupid person who just doesn't treat this as a business. So there you go. I tested it on my account and I busted my account. I don't have it anymore. Apex deactivated it, but I did lose it. And it happened in only like what? I think less than 5-10 minutes. It was gone. It just kept going. There was not a single pullback, as you can see. It just kept going. It just kept going. Oof. Okay, it went back. So let me see here. Tuesday, January 14th. Alright, there it is. So I was involved in this movement here. Obviously it did not work out. As you can see, I should have known because it got stuck at the 21,000s. But I deliberately made the choice and I kept longing below the view up. Right? I kept longing and longing, and while it could have turned out into a successful trade, it just wasn't the case. So this is what will happen most of the times when you tend to gamble like a fool. So I want you to watch this video first before you continue to trade. Because if you catch yourself to this, doing this too many times and you don't learn from it, trading is not something for you. So yeah, as you can see, the next day we had 1430. I think this was CPI. We pumped like 200-300 points or something right off the bat. Very nice setup, as you can see on Wednesday 15th right there. Beautiful setup. We broke out through the 21,000s. If you would have took a long here, you would have been set for life. I think that would have been the greatest trade ever. But I don't think that with Apex it works. And it can go both ways, so gambling during news isn't recommended. As you can see right here, it then came back down to retest, right, this overall retest down there into the 188s. And the reason why we tested this is because we had some resistance here on Friday. And I want to make next I want to make a video, so I'm gonna get back into the rhythm of making videos for you guys. But I will be focusing a lot on managing discipline, and I will start doing live streams as soon as I recover, as soon as I get myself in check, because I have been missing out for maybe a couple of weeks, and I know you may guys wonder where is Dave. Well, I'm here. I'm taking a long break from trading. I'm updating you a bit late, but yes, it did happen. Tuesday 14th January. It did happen. Very unfortunate, but this is a message that clearly should be sent out to all the people in the chat, to all the people that watch my channel, that if you happen to do these type of things, if you don't stop saying long when it's going down and short when it's going up, if you don't stop doing this, you will not survive in this business, and you will take years before making any profit. You may even go into debt. So yeah, that's what I wanted to quickly point out here. Obviously, it's up to you. So if you want to be undisciplined, if you want to be unprofitable, if you want to gamble, go ahead. Lose your money on your account, but don't tell other people what to do if you yourself cannot manage your own stuff. Because there's people in the chat there that would tell you, bro, long, bro, short, bro, shut the F up. Do you even know how to trade? Are you profitable? I'm not here to tell anyone to buy or sell or do all of these things. I'm not a copy trading bot. I am not a copy trading. I'm not someone who who I'm telling you to copy trade. I am not a copy trading chat room. I am not here to tell you to get long when I tell you or get short when I tell you. I'm here to display my journey as a trader and my path to showing you guys how I am doing this to become profitable. Look at that, good setups. Overall, I believe that if you stick to your rules, you will make it in the business. If you don't, you can just keep gambling. Bro, just go out a casino. You have better chance of winning than doing stupid shit here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. I will get back into doing a rhythm. I will set some tips and tricks that I figured out on the way here. I watched the charts these few times that I was gone, and I would like to address that in fact I'm gonna be gone for a little longer into another country, so I will try posting maybe once a week. I will try posting a video for you guys to check, but all in all, I think it's up to you. You make it in this business or not, it's all up to you. No one can tell you what to do, and neither should you tell anyone else what to do, because this is literally depends strictly on you. Whether you get rich from this or not, it depends strictly on you. And you're not going to get rich overnight. You're not going to get rich in one trade, but you are going to get rich in a million trades if you do trade consistently and focus on growing that account slowly but surely. So yeah, this is my message to you all. Stop going against the trend. Stop when it goes down. Stop trying to fade it. That's my message. Stop trying to fade it. And I think some people in the chat that were on my live stream, I will not say who it is, but I'm pretty sure they know who they are, who always tell me when it goes down you long, when it goes up you short. This is my message in this video for any one of you who does that type of stuff. Stop fading the trend. You're not thinking straight. Do what makes sense. Alright, is that clear enough? Do what makes sense. So, for the future, if you guys want to know my overall thought process and thesis over the next few days, right now, we are pretty much in this. We're in a huge range right now, in a huge range, and we're near the middle. So we might have choppy days. As you can see, most of these sessions here, they were choppy right there. So let's see here. As you can see, choppy session, choppy session. This one was not that bad, but it happened during the night. Choppy session, choppy session, choppy session. Some wicks. Yeah, these few days it has been ranging hard. So yeah, I think you should be very mindful of how this plays out over the next couple days here. Let me check my charts, see if everything is doing the way it's supposed to. Cumulative delta, I think cumulative delta shows that I think I'm gonna keep these indicators. I'm gonna keep everything here because my strategy is looking good, is looking fine. As you can see, we pretty much took like a significant dump down here, and I don't think we've yet filled. I think we filled this gap. We still got a gap up there to be filled on the QQQ, but I do think that we have a lot of potential. After we get out of this range, I would look very forward to that. Until then, what I would do now, I'm not telling you what to do, but I am telling you what I would do is keep your size small, because this getting this type of stuff, I mean, holy cow. Let's see the market open. Today at market open, I think Friday. Yeah, this was Friday. Oh my goodness! Wow, look at the price action on. Look at this open price action. Okay, we had a nice I think we had a nice good setup here, and a good setup at VWAP, and a good setup here as well. But all in all, pretty indecisive action. Look at that. I mean, there isn't really a trend going. Here there is, but the price action just makes it impossible to trade. So yeah, you expect some more of this. I would expect it over the next couple days, or even 1 week or 2 weeks from now on. But yes, I would look forward to, after we break, let's see on the ES. ES has a little bit more direction. It's a bit more clean, and that's what I like about the ES here. It's way more clean apparently. It's cleaner, definitely. The ES is cleaner, definitely. So if you want, you can take a move to the ES. You can go move at the ES. But right now, what I would expect is, if we get above the 22,000s, that's a key level. Then we look forward to pretty much, I think, even 23,000s here. But if we go back down below, let's say 21,000s here, this area, I think we'd be looking forward to 20,000 or lower, right? That's what I would look for. So below, around this area, 21,200, we can possibly visit these wicks down there. But if we go above this 22,000 to 22,000 area, then I'll look forward to for a break. So 22,000 key level and 21,200 another key level. So this is the range that I would play by. You know, get above this area, retest the range, and then retest the top of the range, and then keep going, or go lower and retest the bottom of the range. Alright, so this is gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for being patient while I was gone. So keep that in mind. I am so happy to repost again. I feel like I'm getting back into the rhythm. So yeah, I will look forward to seeing you guys with a few new brand new accounts, brand new Apex funded accounts, and we're gonna start trading those live once again, and I will let you guys know. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe. We're at 45 subs. Can we get to 50? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.